it's me again. What am I doing? I got something to show you. I've been working on a circuit cutter, and I don't know if I'm disappointed or if I don't know. I painted this thing. Got the other one I got to rip paint off, but I'll show you. It's paint dried nice. Looks okay. It's just I don't know if I don't know. See, it's not bad. It's just I painted this thing black, and wait, my light's unplugged, of course. You plug my light in. It looks nice. It's nice and shiny. I don't know if I like the gloss. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna put it back together if I remember how. And I don't know. It's got a nice. The paint on this piece came out nice. The paint on the other one is it's a pain in my ass. But I'm not sure if I like the finish. So, not sure. Not sure at all. I'm not sure if I remember how to put it back together too. So, yeah. That's the other problem. But I'm gonna start piecing it all together and try to probably work on it over there because it's too freaking heavy to haul from here to over there. So anyway, this is the one of the, I honestly might do like some of these other channels do. I might put it back together, put it all together, get it working, and I might restrip it. And I know people don't like when I do this, but I might sand all this down so it's smooth and make it really smooth like some of the casting flaws. But, you know, you see all that like weird, like, I don't know. It's an enamel based paint, so I don't know if it's the paint that looks weird or I don't know if I just don't like the gloss. But I mean, the gloss brings out all the imperfections. Like there's a lot of imperfections in this thing. But you know what? It's old and it had whatever, so. But I mean, the paint job came out good. So, stay tuned, like, subscribe, and you'll see more to do with this thing. So, thanks for watching.